Anatomy review of the day. Today, we will be looking at the piriformis muscle. This beautiful illustration and the table are derived from kenhub.com. The piriformis originates from the anterior surface of the sacrum between S2 and S4, the gluteal surface of the ilium, and the sacrotuberous ligament. It inserts into the apex of the greater trochanter of the femur. It acts upon the hip joint, specifically causing external rotation of the thigh abduction from a flexed hip, and it stabilizes the head of the femur in the acetabulum. It is innervated by its namesake nerve, the nerve to the piriformis, which originates from S1 to S2. It is innervated by the superior and the inferior gluteal arteries and the gemellar branches of the internal pudendal artery. Anatomy review of the day.